Hi guys, today I will explain how to do daily task in Binance. This process is simple and easy, and by using daily task of Binance, you can earn free USDT. So how can you do it? The only thing is open your Binance application. Once it will be open, the first thing is sign in your account in which you want to do daily task. The next thing is, here you can see the option of Reward Hub. Just click on it. And there are two things, vouchers and points. But if you scroll down here, you can see a task. This task is make a spot trade with $500 or more worth of crypto. It means I need to make a trade of $500. And once I will earn 3 BTC as a reward. Below, you can see another task, trade spot, to claim a 20 USD trading. And if you want to do it, then click on the option Do Task. Once you will do, you have to complete this task for getting reward of Binance. And once you will complete, you will get reward. So by using this method, you can do daily task in Binance.